Lesson 47, Simplifying Mixed Measures. There are a few questions that you need to be thinking about before you start this lesson. 1, do you know how many inches are in a foot? How many seconds in a minute? Or how many ounces in a pound? And just different conversions like that. Another question is, how do we convert larger units like feet into smaller units like inches and vice versa? We're going to multiply the larger unit like feet times what we're converting it to, 12 inches, and that's going to give us the total number of inches that we have. Since they're inverse operations, if we start out with inches and we're going to feet, then we're going to be dividing. So we're going to take our inches and then divide that by 12 inches, and that's going to give us how many feet, since there are 12 inches in a foot. So as we approach this lesson, think about, again, what are the conversions? How much of each thing would you find in the other? In case the first one that we're going to be doing, it's going to be inches versus feet. So the first problem says John is 5 feet 4 inches tall. How many inches tall is John? So what we're going to do is we're going to convert our feet to inches. So since I have the larger unit, I'm going to have my 5 feet times how many inches per foot, which is 12 inches per foot. And that's going to give us 60 inches. We're going to have to add in those 4 additional inches. That's going to give us the fact that John is 64 inches tall. Okay? That's kind of how you do that when you're converting, or as the title says, simplifying mixed measures into one unit instead of a mixture of two. The next one, Tomas ran a quarter of a mile, or 1/4 of a mile, in 1 minute and 15 seconds. How many seconds did Thomas run a quarter mile? So what we're going to do is we're going to take our minute, and we're going to multiply that times 60, 1 minute, times the smaller unit of 60 seconds, because there are 60 seconds per minute. And that's going to give us 60 seconds, because anything times 1 is itself. Then we're going to add on the additional 15 seconds, and we will know that Tomas ran a quarter mile in 75 seconds. We're going to try one more. The melon weighed 3 pounds and 8 ounces. How many ounces did the melon weigh? Again, we know that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So we're going to go ahead and multiply 3 pounds times 16 ounces. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So that's 48 ounces. And then we're going to add in the additional 8 ounces. 8 plus 8 is 16. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the melon weighed 56 ounces. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you can understand how to simplify mixed measures. Remember, if you're going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you'll just do the flip of this. You'll divide by the common conversion.